two, two, two. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use these commonly confused words correctly. To, to. This can be used as a preposition. As a preposition, it tells us the direction of where you are going. For example, to the shop or to the car park, etc. It can also be used to form an infinitive. So we use to plus the base form of a verb. For example, to eat, to drink, to run, etc. We can also use to when referring to a period of time. So we need to state the period of time. For example, I work from 9 to 5. Lastly, it can refer to the receiver of something. So, the person receiving something from someone else. Now let's have a look at some examples. I went to the shop. In this example, to is used as a preposition because I'm telling you the direction I went in. She likes to sing. In this example, we have two verbs. The first is likes, and the second verb is in its infinitive form, to sing. She likes to sing. He works from 9 to 5. Here, we are referring to a period of time. Ali gave the book to Alex. This example tells us the receiver of the book, Alex. To, T-O-O. This is an adverb. It means also, very, or excessive. For example, I'm studying too. I'm too tired. In other words, this means I'm very tired. You've added too much flour. This means you've added an excessive amount of flour. Two, T-W-O. This is the word form of the number 2. For example, I have 2 cats. I have been studying for 2 hours. Now let's have a look at an example sentence. I was too tired to finish 2 essays. Can you now identify the meanings of the different words?